German watch prices just dropped, and some incredible models are now available for less. But these deals may not last long. In this video, we're revealing the German watches worth buying before they're gone. Let's get started. Number 10. NOMOS Club Sport Neomatic. Kicking off our list of the top 10 best German watches of 2026 is the outstanding NOMOS Club Sport Neomatic, a watch that perfectly captures the modern spirit of German watchmaking. NOMOS has earned worldwide recognition for its minimalist, Bauhaus-inspired designs, in-house movements, and exceptional value, and the Club Sport Neomatic represents the very best of what the brand has to offer. The stainless steel case is beautifully finished and strikes the perfect balance between elegance and everyday durability. Developed and manufactured by NOMOS in Germany, the movement reflects the brand's dedication to precision engineering and exceptional craftsmanship. Despite its slim profile, the watch offers impressive reliability and performance suitable for daily wear. The integrated bracelet further enhances comfort, creating a seamless wearing experience that appeals to both enthusiasts and newcomers alike. In 2026, collectors continue to appreciate watches that combine understated sophistication with practical versatility, and the Club Sport Neomatic delivers both in abundance. Owners frequently praise its comfort, accuracy, and distinctive German character. Whether paired with casual clothing, business attire, or weekend wear, the watch transitions effortlessly between different environments. For collectors seeking a contemporary German timepiece that blends Bauhaus design, in-house engineering, and exceptional value, the NOMOS Club Sport Neomatic stands as an extraordinary choice. Its minimalist elegance and outstanding craftsmanship earn it the number 10 position on our list of the best German watches of 2026. Number 9. Sinn 556 IRS. Taking the 9th position on our list of the top 10 best German watches of 2026 is the exceptional Sinn 556 IRS, a watch that perfectly represents the German philosophy of functionality and durability. The watch immediately captures attention through its understated design and striking red seconds hand, which adds a subtle touch of personality to an otherwise minimalist aesthetic. The stainless steel case is beautifully machined and finished, reflecting Sinn's uncompromising approach to quality. The dial emphasizes legibility with applied markers, luminous hands, and a clean layout free from unnecessary distractions. Powered by a dependable automatic movement, the watch delivers reliable performance suitable for everyday wear. One of its greatest strengths is versatility. It transitions effortlessly from professional environments to casual weekends and outdoor adventures. In 2026, collectors continue to value watches that prioritize substance over spectacle, and the Sinn 556 IRS embodies that philosophy perfectly. Owners frequently praise its comfort, rugged construction, and timeless styling. For enthusiasts seeking a practical German watch with exceptional build quality and understated charm, the Sinn 556 IRS is an outstanding choice. Its reliability and versatility secure its place at number 9 among the best German watches of 2026. Number 8. Glashütte Original SeaQ. Claiming the 8th position is the remarkable Glashütte Original SeaQ, a watch that demonstrates Germany's ability to produce world-class sports watches capable of competing with the finest offerings from Switzerland. Inspired by the diving watches developed in East Germany during the 20th century, the SeaQ blends historical significance with contemporary luxury execution. The dial offers outstanding legibility through luminous markers, bold hands, and a beautifully executed design that balances elegance with practicality. Beneath the surface lies an in-house automatic movement developed and assembled entirely by Glashütte Original. The movement reflects the Saxon tradition of watchmaking through exquisite finishing and dependable performance. Despite its professional diving capability, the SeaQ remains remarkably versatile, adapting comfortably to both adventurous activities and formal occasions. In 2026, collectors increasingly seek luxury sports watches with distinctive identities, and the SeaQ delivers exactly that. Owners frequently praise its craftsmanship, comfort, and unique heritage. Whether exploring underwater environments or attending important meetings, the watch consistently impresses. For collectors seeking a German luxury sports watch with exceptional pedigree and technical excellence, the Glashütte Original SeaQ stands as a remarkable choice. Its blend of heritage and innovation earns it the number 8 position among the best German watches of 2026. Number 7. NOMOS Zurich Weltzeit. At number 7, we find the extraordinary NOMOS Zurich Weltzeit, a watch that perfectly combines minimalist German aesthetics with practical world-time functionality. NOMOS has long been celebrated for its Bauhaus-inspired design language, and the Zurich Weltzeit elevates that philosophy through one of the most elegant travel complications available today. The polished case proportions allow the watch to maintain a refined presence on the wrist, while the in-house automatic movement reflects NOMOS' dedication to technical excellence. The Worldtimer complication enables wearers to track multiple time zones with ease, making it particularly valuable for frequent travelers and international professionals. In 2026, collectors increasingly appreciate watches that provide practical functionality while preserving timeless elegance, and the Zurich Weltzeit achieves this balance beautifully. Owners frequently praise its originality, comfort, and intelligent engineering. Whether worn during international travel, business engagements, or everyday routines, the watch consistently delivers both utility and refinement. For enthusiasts seeking a distinctive German timepiece that celebrates thoughtful design and global practicality, the NOMOS Zurich Weltzeit remains an exceptional choice. Its elegant execution and innovative functionality secure its place at number 7 among the best German watches of 2026. Number 6. Tutima Saxon 1 Chronograph. Taking the 6th position on our list of the top 10 best German watches of 2026 is the exceptional Tutima Saxon 1 Chronograph, a timepiece that perfectly demonstrates the strength, precision, and craftsmanship of modern German watchmaking. Unlike many traditional chronographs, the Saxon 1 embraces a bold and modern personality while remaining unmistakably German in its engineering philosophy. The chronograph subdials are thoughtfully arranged to preserve readability, while luminous hands and applied markers ensure practical usability in different lighting conditions. Beneath the dial beats a sophisticated in-house automatic chronograph movement developed and assembled in Germany. Owners frequently praise the smooth chronograph operation, robust construction, and impressive wrist presence. Despite its sporty appearance, the Saxon 1 transitions effortlessly between professional environments and casual occasions. In 2026, collectors increasingly seek alternatives to mainstream luxury sports chronographs, and the Tutima Saxon 1 offers a compelling blend of exclusivity and performance. Whether accompanying business meetings, weekend adventures, or formal events, the watch consistently delivers confidence and distinction. For enthusiasts seeking a uniquely German luxury chronograph with outstanding craftsmanship and individuality, the Tutima Saxon 1 Chronograph earns its place at number 6 among the best German watches of 2026. Number 5. Moritz Grossmann Central Second. Breaking into the top 5 is the breathtaking Moritz Grossmann Central Second, a watch that embodies the highest traditions of handcrafted German horology. Although Moritz Grossmann remains one of the more discreet names in the luxury watch industry, collectors who appreciate independent watchmaking recognize it as one of the finest manufacturers in the world. The manually wound movement visible through the case back reveals a level of finishing that rivals the most prestigious names in haute horology. Hand-engraved components, polished surfaces, and traditional Glashütte techniques showcase the artistry behind every watch produced by the brand. Unlike mass-produced luxury timepieces, each Moritz Grossmann watch feels deeply personal and artisanal. Owners frequently describe the experience of interacting with a movement as profoundly satisfying, from winding the crown to admiring the intricate craftsmanship. In 2026, collectors increasingly value authenticity and independent craftsmanship, and the Central Second represents those ideals perfectly. The watch remains elegant enough for formal occasions, while carrying a quiet confidence that never seeks unnecessary attention. For enthusiasts searching for a German masterpiece defined by artistry, exclusivity, and uncompromising quality, the Moritz Grossmann Central Second stands as an extraordinary choice. Its exceptional craftsmanship and timeless beauty secure its place at number 5 among the best German watches of 2026. Number 4. Glashütte Original Pano Reserve. Occupying the 4th position is the magnificent Glashütte Original Pano Reserve, a watch that perfectly illustrates the creativity and technical sophistication of Saxon watchmaking. Instantly recognizable through its asymmetrical dial layout, the Pano Reserve has become one of Glashütte Original's defining creations. The off-center display arrangement combines hours, minutes, small seconds, power reserve indication, and signature panorama date functionality in a manner that feels both distinctive and harmonious. Decorated using traditional Glashütte techniques, it showcases hand-finished bevels, engraved elements, and the famous three-quarter plate architecture that distinguishes German watchmaking from its Swiss counterparts. Beyond its technical excellence, the Pano Reserve offers an emotional connection through the daily ritual of winding and interacting with its power reserve indicator. In 2026, collectors continue to celebrate watches that balance originality with timeless appeal, and the Pano Reserve achieves this beautifully. Whether worn during important professional engagements or cherished within a serious collection, the watch consistently commands admiration from those who appreciate fine horology. For collectors seeking a German timepiece that combines innovation, artistry, and traditional craftsmanship, the Glashütte Original Pano Reserve remains an exceptional choice. Its distinctive character and technical excellence earn it the number 4 position among the best German watches of 2026. Number 3. Lange Söhne Zeitwerk. Claiming the number 3 position on our list of the top 10 best German watches of 2026 is the revolutionary Lange Söhne Zeitwerk, a watch that completely redefined how collectors think about time display. While most luxury watches rely on traditional hands to indicate the hours and minutes, the Zeitwerk introduced a mechanical digital display unlike anything the industry had ever seen. The result is a timepiece that perfectly balances innovation with the centuries-old traditions of Saxon watchmaking. Turning the watch over reveals one of the most breathtaking manually wound movements in haute horology. Every component is finished to extraordinary standards, featuring hand-engraved balance cocks, untreated German silver bridges, polished bevels, and intricate decoration that reflect hundreds of hours of craftsmanship. The movement required groundbreaking engineering to deliver instantaneous jumping numerals while maintaining impressive reliability and power efficiency. In 2026, collectors continue to regard the Zeitwerk as one of the most important watchmaking achievements of the modern era. Despite its complexity, the watch remains elegant enough for formal occasions while offering an unmistakable identity that stands apart from anything else on the market. For enthusiasts seeking a German masterpiece that challenges convention while celebrating craftsmanship, the Lange Söhne Zeitwerk is an extraordinary choice. Its innovation, artistry, and engineering excellence secure its place at number 3 among the best German watches of 2026. Number 2. Lange Söhne Odysseus. Taking the runner-up position is the exceptional Lange Söhne Odysseus, a watch that marked a historic moment for the legendary German manufacturer. For decades, collectors wondered how Lange would interpret the luxury sports watch category, and the Odysseus exceeded every expectation. The stainless steel case and integrated bracelet deliver exceptional comfort and presence on the wrist, while maintaining the unmistakable character of Lange Söhne. The dial is a masterpiece of depth and texture, featuring bold, luminous markers, beautifully crafted hands, and oversized day and date displays that enhance both functionality and visual identity. Beneath the dial beats a sophisticated in-house automatic movement engineered specifically for the collection. Visible through the sapphire case back, the movement showcases hand-finishing techniques that rival the finest examples of haute horology. In 2026, collectors continue to celebrate the Odysseus as one of the most desirable luxury sports watches in the world. Owners frequently praise its comfort, exclusivity, and remarkable craftsmanship. Whether worn during business engagements, weekend activities, or international travel, the watch consistently delivers an unforgettable ownership experience. For collectors seeking a German sports watch that combines prestige, versatility, and uncompromising quality, the Lange Söhne Odysseus remains an extraordinary choice. Its groundbreaking significance and exceptional execution earn it the number 2 position among the best German watches of 2026. Number 1. Lange Söhne 1. Standing proudly at number 1 on our list of the top 10 best German watches of 2026 is the legendary Lange Söhne 1, a watch widely regarded as the ultimate symbol of modern German watchmaking. Introduced during the rebirth of decades later, it remains one of the most admired and influential watches ever created. The asymmetrical dial layout immediately distinguishes the Lange 1 from every other dress watch on the market. Despite its unconventional arrangement, the design achieves extraordinary harmony and balance. Every element reflects a commitment to perfection. German silver bridges, hand-engraved balance cocks, gold chaton secured by blued screws, and meticulous finishing elevate the movement into a genuine work of art. In 2026, collectors around the world continue to regard it as one of the greatest watches ever made. Owners frequently describe it as a lifelong companion and the centerpiece of their collections. The watch possesses a timeless elegance that transcends trends and generations, ensuring its relevance for decades to come. Whether worn during life's most important occasions or admired in quiet moments of appreciation, the Lange 1 consistently inspires awe and admiration. For enthusiasts seeking the finest expression of German watchmaking, the Lange Söhne 1 stands above the competition. Its revolutionary design, extraordinary craftsmanship, historical importance, and enduring beauty make it the undisputed number 1 watch on our list of the top 10 best German watches of 2026. Those are the German watches worth watching while prices are down. Which one would you buy? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more watch deals, reviews, and buying guides. Thanks for watching.